Want to stop wasting time on repetitive work? Let me show you how to automate tasks with Make.com in just 60 seconds. Start by logging into your Make.com dashboard. Click on Create a new scenario. Think of a scenario as your automated workflow. It can connect apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, Notion, Slack, you name it. First, click the plus sign to add your starting point. This could be something like watch for new emails in Gmail or a new row in Google Sheets. This is your trigger. It tells Make when to start the workflow. Once your trigger is set, add another module. This is what you want to happen automatically. For example, when you get a new email, you might want to create a Notion entry, send a Slack message, or log the details into a spreadsheet. You can keep stacking up modules like building blocks. That's where multi step automation comes in. Add filters, delays, routers, whatever logic your process needs. Click run once to test your setup. If it flows correctly, click activate. That's it. Your automation now runs on the autopilot. Make.com gives you flexibility without needing to code, and you can connect hundreds of tools to create powerful time-saving workflows. If this helped, give it a like, comment with your questions, subscribe for more quick no-code guides like this one.